this is India's time, India's moment. The West has led for hundreds of years, and their time in the sun is over. In 2017, we put out a recommendation that we thought the Indian stock market would be the best performing market in the world over the next 10 years. And that has somewhat come to pass. How I would look at India is the vitality of the people. There's probably more excitement and energy here than anywhere in the world. And I was present at the opening up of China, and I saw how a civilization, if you will, had been suppressed for hundreds of years, if not thousands of years, and all of a sudden they opened up the floodgates, and it's all right to make money, just go for it. And the similar is happening here in India. So it's exciting to be here. And India, this is India's time, India's moment. And I would add that the Indian people own more gold than anybody in the world. I'm extremely bullish on the price of gold. I can't think of any country in the history of the world where one asset class, one change is going to impact almost everybody. It's obviously excellent leadership. What Modi has done in terms of bringing the hidden economy up into the real economies, getting taxes collected, and then being able to build infrastructure and making lots of changes. The fact that Fintech is the most widely adopted in here in the world is of huge significance. It's just, all these hundreds of millions of people all of a sudden have access to bank accounts and have money and payments. That's certainly a part of it. But it's also the way to describe it is that if you go through history, there's a time and a place, and the people just come alive with ambition and vitality and excitement, and this is what it is in India today. It's unstoppable. India has a unique opportunity to lead the world. And if you will, the West has led for hundreds of years, and their time in the sun is over. It's ending. It's gradually eroding. In Europe, it was eroded with 2 world wars. And America is torn with disunity and dissension. Its foreign policy is struggling, to be polite. And India has an opportunity to come and to lead the Global South specifically. The 88% of the world's population that has not had access to the economic power that the 12% had for the last hundreds of years. I think India should be very non-aligned and take advantage of what China can offer, what the U.S. can offer, but remain non-aligned. And India is, I think, the fastest growing major economy in the world, and I think that's going to continue. And if the U.S. Is slowing down and capital flowing into the U.S. diminishes, as I think it's going to sometime in the next year or so, more capital will flow to India.